Dear students, in this video I explain correlation and also regression. This is the next topic of curve fitting. So here correlation means covariance of two independent variable is known two independent magnitude is known as a correlation. Okay, the numerical measure of correlation between x and y is known as Pearson's coefficient of correlation. Pearson's coefficient of correlation coefficient of correlation and is denoted by r. R is equal to summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by n into sigma x into sigma y. Or another form is there where r is equal to sigma x square plus sigma y square minus sigma x minus y whole square divided by 2 into sigma x into sigma y. Here where r here sigma x sigma y is the standard deviation with respect to x, sigma y means standard deviation with respect to y, sigma x minus y means standard deviation of x minus y. So standard deviation means here we know that your sigma x square sigma is equal to sigma x is equal to v, sigma square is equal to v is equal to variance. Variance with respect to x can written as x minus x bar whole square divided by n, and mean is represented by x bar is equal to summation x by n. Okay, in a problem I explain how to find va and x bar. Okay, next we come to regression. So the regression is a statistical modeling of regression analysis is a set of statistical process for estimating a relationship between two independent dependent variable and one more independent variable. We simply called it is a estimation of one independent variable. It is a estimation of one independent variable in term of the other. The best fitting straight line in the form of y is equal to a plus bx is called as a regression line y on x. This here y is equal to a plus bx is the equation of a straight line. This line is we called as a regression line y on x, and equation of another straight line is where y is equal to ax ay. Another form x is equal to a plus by. This equation of a straight line we called as a regression line x on y. The regression line r means here regression. The regression line x on y is denoted by x minus x bar, which is equal to r into sigma x divided by sigma y into y minus y bar, and regression line y on x is denoted by y minus y bar, which is equal to r into sigma y divided by sigma x into x minus x bar. Okay, where r into sigma y by sigma x and r into sigma y x into sigma y is called as a regression coefficient. Regression coefficient, and using regression line y on x and also y on x and also x on y, easy to find correlation or r can be written as r is equal to plus or minus root of coefficient of x into coefficient of y, coefficient of x into coefficient of y. Just here main thing here very important is the regression line correlation r is represented by sigma x square plus sigma y square minus sigma x minus y square divided by 2 into sigma x into sigma y, and regression line in x on y can be written as x minus x bar is equal to r into sigma x by sigma y into y minus y bar, and regression line y on x is denoted by y minus y bar is equal to r into sigma y by sigma x into x minus x bar. It's enough for solving the problem. So I take one problem to explain how to find coefficient of correlation and also line of regression. Okay, so here in this problem we find the coefficient of correlation and the line of regression for the data value x value 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, corresponding y value 9 8 10 12 13 14 11 13 14. first we write this one x value. Okay, first we have to find coefficient of correlation. Coefficient of correlation or can be written as sigma x square plus sigma y square minus sigma x minus y square divided by 2 into sigma x into sigma y divided by 2 into sigma x into sigma y. So here first we have to find sigma x, sigma y and also sigma x minus y. For that one we need x bar and also y bar. That wise first find summation x. Summation x value 1, 2, 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. So which is equal to 28. Next summation y value find. Okay, y value 9, 8, 10, 9 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 11 plus 13 plus 14. So which is equal to 77. See here. So here which is equal to here sigma x square which is equal to here we need sigma x square na. Sigma x square can be written as summation x square by n minus x bar whole square. So with respect to y value, sigma y square is equal to summation y square by n minus y bar whole square. Next here x minus y square. Sigma x minus y whole square can be written as summation x minus y whole square by n minus x minus y whole bar whole square. Means first we have to find x bar, y bar and also x minus y bar. So x bar is equal to summation x by n. So x bar is equal to summation x value here 28. Okay, 28 divided by n. Number of term value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 28 by 7. So here which is equal to x bar is equal to 4. Okay now. Next similarly find y bar. Y bar is equal to summation y by n. Y bar is equal to your y value here 77. 77 divided by 7. Then y bar is equal to 77 by 7 value, y bar value 11. But next you have to find x minus y bar. X minus y bar na. So x minus y whole bar is equal to summation x minus y divided by n. Means first we have to find summation x minus y. So take x minus y. So 1 minus 9 value minus 8, 2 minus 8 value minus 6, 3 minus 10 minus 7, 4 minus 12 minus 8, 5 minus 11 minus 6, 6 minus 13 minus 7, 7 minus 14 minus 7. Then summation x minus y whole bar which is equal to summation x minus y value is equal to minus 49. This value is up here. Okay, minus 49 divided by 7. Then x minus y whole bar is equal to minus 9. Okay, now this value substituting this 3 equation we get sigma x square value, but we need again x square, y square and also x minus y whole square. So that wise first find x square. Okay, 1 square value 1, 2 square value 4, 3 square value 9, 4 square value 16, 5 square value 25, 6 square value 36, 7 square value 49. Now add. So here which is equal to 140. Okay, next y square. Y square 9 square value 81, 8 square value 64, 10 square value 100, 12 square value 12 square value 144, 11 square value 121, 30 square value 169, 14 square value 196. Now add all the value. Here we get 875. Last one we have to find x minus y whole square value. So minus 8 whole square value 64, minus 6 whole square value 36, minus 7 whole square value 49, minus 8 whole square value 64, minus 6 whole square value 36, minus 7 whole square value 49, minus 7 whole square value 49. Add all the value, here we get 347. Now all the values kept in this equation. So sigma x square, which is equal to summation x square value 140 divided by n value. Your n value, your totally n is equal to 7 minus x bar whole square, x bar value 4 whole square. Here we get sigma x square. Sigma simplify, here we get sigma x square value 4. Then sigma x is equal to root 4 value, root of 4. Then sigma x is equal to 2. Okay, next sigma y square value. Sigma summation y square value 875. 875 divided by 7 minus y bar whole square value is 11 whole square, which is equal to summation y square value 4. Then summation y value 2, means root 4 value 2. At last sigma x minus y whole square, which is equal to summation x minus y whole square. Summation x minus y whole square value, summation x minus y value whole square value 347 divided by 7 minus y value minus 9 whole square become plus 81. Then simplify, here we get sigma x minus y whole square, which is equal to 0.57. Okay, now all the value sub in this r value, that is r is equal to sigma x square value 4 plus sigma y square value 4 minus sigma x minus y whole square value 0.57. 0.57 divided by 2 into sigma x value 2, sigma y value 2. Simplify, here we get r is equal to 0.93. Like that we have to find the coefficient of correlation. Okay, next we have to find line of regression y on x. Y on x means here we can write y minus y bar, which is equal to r into sigma y by sigma x into x minus x bar. Okay, y minus y bar value 11, which is equal to r value 0.93 into sigma y value 2 by 2 into x minus x bar value 4. Here 2 cancel. Now simplify, here we get y minus 11, which is equal to x into 0.93 minus 4 into 0.93. So at last simplify, here we get this 11 is also shift to LHS plus 11. Then y is equal to 0.93x. Simplified we get plus 7.28. This is the line of regression y on x, and regression line x on y, that is x minus x bar, which is equal to r into sigma x divided by sigma y into y minus y bar, that is x minus x bar value 4, r value 0.93, sigma x value 2, sigma y value 2, y minus y bar value 11. Okay, then 2 cancel. Now multiply, that is x is equal to, the 4 is shift to right side. Then y into multiplied, y into 0.93. Next minus 11 into 0.93 plus 4. This minus 4 shift to right side, it become plus. Now simplify, here we get x is equal to 0.93y. This whole term simplify, here we get minus 6.23. This is the line of regression x on y. Okay, so like that we have to find coefficient of correlation. Here one thing, here it is very easy to remember this one. First we have to mind this thing. Here we go step by step. First we have to find coefficient of correlation, that is r is equal to, r means sigma x square plus sigma y square minus sigma x minus y square divided by 2 into sigma x into sigma y. Now we have to find sigma x square, sigma y square now. So sigma x means sigma x means summation x square divided by n minus x bar whole square. Like that, with respect to y, everything is same. We take, instead of x we take y, that is sigma y square, which is equal to summation y square divided by n minus y bar whole square. For x minus y, everything is same. Instead of y, take x minus y, that is x minus y whole square is equal to summation x minus y whole square uh, divided by n minus x minus y whole bar whole square. So first we need x bar, y bar, x minus y bar, but x bar means here summation x by n, y bar means summation y divided by n, x minus y bar means x minus y bar means summation x minus y divided by n. Then using the data, find all the values. Except in this equation we get r, the line, the same thing, line of regression, line y on x and also x on y. Okay, like that, using your minded, using this formula, easy to write coefficient of correlation on line of regression x on y and also y on x. If you have any doubt or any clarification, please contact me. Thank you.